In this video, we are going to talk about instructions for meditation. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Inner Peace Fellowship Meditation, IPF meditation, is derived from the Indian Vedic tradition, which has been around for more than 3,000 years. For thousands of years, yogis in India have been employing and developing the Sanskrit mantras, which are used in IPF meditation as part of their practice. IPF meditation is a simple technique that can provide you with a plethora of important benefits. It is also quite simple to master. These meditation techniques have been used by more than 1 million people in 235 countries. By meditating, you can learn how to meditate. Since you find the silence and stillness you experience in meditation so appealing and welcoming, as well as the increased well-being and reduced stress that you experience outside of meditation, you will unconsciously teach yourself how to go deeper into that silence and stillness each time you meditate. Let's start. Before you get started, it is necessary to take care of a few practical matters before you can begin. When are you planning on doing it every day? Where can you find a quiet place to relax? How are you going to remember to do it in the first place? The first step is to make a commitment to a regular, daily routine. Even though it shouldn't be difficult to carve out 10 minutes each day, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Make it a regular part of your schedule if at all possible. Make a spot where you can sit at the same time every day. Mornings appear to be the most productive for most people, but discover a time that is most productive for you. It doesn't matter where you do it, as long as you're not likely to be stopped while doing it. Finally, feel free to dress however you like, though you may want to remove any ties or belts you are wearing. Your first meditation. If you want to start meditating, select a peaceful spot where you may sit securely and comfortably. After then, close your eyes and do absolutely nothing for about a minute. It is acceptable for you to have thoughts within that time period. Then, with your mantra asterisk playing in the background, start the audio player below. Every time you hear your mantra, recite it quietly to yourself, without moving your tongue or lips, until you have finished. After 1 minute, the sounds will gradually fade off to nothingness. Follow this with another 4 minutes of silently repeating your mantra inside your head. If you have any thoughts during that period, softly return to quietly repeating your mantra inside your head. When the 4 minutes are up, you will hear a warning on the audio. This advice should only be followed during your first meditation. Following your first meditation, you should follow the guidelines in the section below titled Daily Practice of Meditation. Daily Practice of Meditation. Every morning and every evening, spend 15 to 30 minutes in meditation to clear your mind. It is recommended that you meditate before you eat. Try to meditate in a peaceful environment, but if you do not have access to a peaceful environment, that is fine. When it comes to meditation, noise is not a hindrance. For a minute or two, sit quietly, close your eyes, and do absolutely nothing. Thoughts will arise, and that is perfectly normal. Thoughts are normal during meditation, and they should not be suppressed. After a minute or so, softly inside, in the same natural way that thoughts come to you, and without moving your tongue or lips, begin repeating your mantra aloud for yourself. Continue to slowly repeat your mantra until you have completed your meditation. When thoughts arise, softly return to the mantra you are repeating. When you have finished meditating, take a few minutes to lie down and relax for 4 to 5 minutes. It is perfectly acceptable for you to speak your mantra in a muddled manner at times. Your mantra may appear to be a sense or an emotion rather than anything you say, and that is just acceptable. At times, all of your ideas and your chant may fade away, and you may simply be aware, and that is perfectly fine. During meditation, it is acceptable for you to go off to sleep. When you first wake up after a long period of sleep, meditate for a few minutes more before lying down and resting for 4 to 5 minutes. Common mistakes. Do not even attempt to meditate. The most common mistake people make while trying to meditate is to try too hard. During meditation, you should do absolutely nothing. During meditation, it is critical that you do absolutely nothing else than sit still. The benefits of meditation accrue as a result of frequent meditation practice. The benefits accrue naturally over time, and there is nothing you can do to command those benefits to accrue sooner rather than later. As a result, refrain from focusing on specific feelings or signals of progress or failure throughout your meditation, because doing so will prevent you from reaping the benefits of meditation. Happiness, ease, and calmness are all benefits of meditation, as is the ability to get along well with people. Meditation can help you achieve these benefits and more. You may see such changes right away, or you may need to meditate for 6 months before you notice any changes at all. As a result, get into the practice of meditating twice a day on a consistent basis, and then be patient. Making it a practice to meditate on a regular basis is quite beneficial. And if you find yourself stopping your meditation, simply begin it again. Advanced Inner Peace Fellowship Meditation. Inner Peace Fellowship Meditation is, without a doubt, the most effective type of meditation now available. We also offer Advanced Inner Peace Fellowship Meditation, which is much more effective than the basic meditation. Having meditated twice a day for at least 2 years, you will be qualified to begin Advanced Inner Peace Fellowship Meditation after completing the 2-year requirement. Please complete this form as soon as possible if you wish to begin Advanced Inner Peace Fellowship Meditation in the next 2 years. Expanding your mantra. You should refrain from expanding your mantra until you have been practicing it on a regular basis for the time frames mentioned below. In the event that you extend your mantra before the times mentioned below, or if you have not been meditating twice a day on a regular basis, you will not receive the advantages of expanding your mantra. You can begin utilizing this mantra once you have been meditating twice a day for 6 months on a regular basis. In hushed tones, repeat the chant. Once you have been meditating twice a day for 1 year on a regular basis, you can begin employing this mantra. In hushed tones, repeat the chant. As soon as you have been meditating twice a day for 1 year, you can begin implementing the following instructions throughout your meditation sessions. For the most part, your mantra has been emanating from within you, or from nowhere in particular. When you are in meditation, softly adjust your concentration such that the mantra originates from your chest from this point forward. Pay attention to your breathing in your chest from time to time to assist you concentrate your chant in your chest. After you have been meditating twice a day for 18 months on a consistent basis, you can begin employing this mantra. In hushed tones, repeat the chant. After you have been meditating twice a day for 2 years on a consistent basis, you can begin employing this mantra. In hushed tones, repeat the chant. Side effects and cautions. There are several negative consequences to meditating. You may be more susceptible to recommendations and outside influences immediately following a meditation session. As a result, refrain from making important judgments or undertaking important tasks immediately after meditating. If you find it difficult to sit silently for long periods of time, you should quit meditating. If you feel that meditation is distressing, unpleasant, or disquieting for you, you should cease meditating and refrain from meditating in the future as a precaution. Finally, meditation should not be used to treat or prevent significant emotional or psychiatric disorders. So, if you suspect you may be suffering from such issues, do not attempt to resolve them through meditation, but rather seek professional assistance. How to meditate effectively. Meditation is an approach to training the mind, comparable to the way that fitness is an approach to training the body. But various meditation techniques exist, so how can you learn how to meditate? In Buddhist tradition, the word meditation is akin to a word like sports. In the US, it's a family of behaviors, not a single thing. University of Wisconsin Neuroscience Lab head Richard J. Davidson, PhD, told the New York Times. And different meditation methods demand different mental skills. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.